We all know someone who's faced the battle, but today, we honor the heroes among us. You have shown the world what true strength looks like. Through every challenge, through every setback, you stood tall. Your courage is a beacon of hope for us all. Whether you're still fighting or celebrating victory, your journey inspires us every day. You remind us that hope can never be extinguished, and that together, we are stronger. As we close out October, let us remember, awareness doesn't end here. Your stories, your resilience, your spirit, they live on, pushing us forward. To all the breast cancer warriors out there, we salute you. Thank you for showing us the power of unwavering hope and determination. Here are 2 books that may be helpful along the journey. The first is about a smart woman's guide to breast cancer. This book by Dr. Jen Simmons provides a comprehensive functional medicine approach to understanding, treating, and overcoming breast cancer. It covers essential topics including the importance of a whole food plant-based diet, the role of genetics, understanding one's diagnosis, and the various conventional treatments and their side effects. It emphasizes the significance of addressing the root causes of cancer, such as chronic inflammation, and guides readers on creating a healing environment through lifestyle changes, diet, and avoiding toxins. The other is about anti-cancer recipes. This contains deliciously simple plant-based recipes. Let's keep spreading awareness, supporting each other, and celebrating the incredible strength within us all. Together, we are unstoppable. Follow HFB.Lifestyle for more health tips.